So hello students. So I have already finished innings 9.1. So today I will start innings 9.2. So before starting innings 9.2, we have to remember two formula. The first formula is increase percentage. Formula number 1. Increase percent. So it will be increase divided by original number multiply 100. See, increase percentage means we have to multiply 100 now. Second one is opposite of increase, that will be decrease. Decrease percent, so it will be decrease divided by original number multiply 100. So decrease divided by again original number, so how to use these two formula I will show you while solving the exercise. Now I will look 9.2 question number 1. So Reva's earning 40% of Kavya's earning, and Kavya's earning is 25%, Anubhav's earning. So here Anubhav's earning is given 1 lakh rupees 1 lakh. So first you read the question carefully. After that you will able to understand this solution. Kavya's earning is given 1 lakh. 1 lakh rupees. And no, sorry, Anubhav's earning is given 1 lakh, and Kavya's earning is 25% of Anubhav's earning. 25% means 25 percentage means divide by 100. So multiply by Anubhav's earning, that is 1 lakh. Now we cancel 0 0. So it will be 25 multiply 1000. Will be 25,000. This is the Kavya's earning. Now we have to find Reva's earning. Kavya's earning is 25,000. So what will be the Reva's earning? Reva's earning is given 40% of Kavya's earning. So 40 percentage means divide by 100, multiply Kavya's earning we got 25,000. Again we cancel 0 0. So it will be 40 multiply 250. 25 4 is 100. Again 20. That is 10,000. So Reva's earning is 10,000 and Kavya's earning is 25,000. Now I will show you how to do question number 3. So Anu's weight increased from 40 kg to 48 kg. So Anu's original weight was 40 kg. Now his new weight is 48 kg. So how much weight increase? 48 minus 48 kg increase. Now we have to find the increase percentage. So here I have already written this formula. So increase percentage is increase. How much increase? 8 kg by original number. Original weight is 40. So divide by 40. So now we cancel 0 0. 0 0 cancel. So 80 by 4, it will be 20%. So increase percentage is 20%. Now I am solving question number 5. So Aftab received conference allowance of 8,800 rupees per week. So Aftab is getting allowance means some type of salary. So he is getting 800 rupees per week. And now the company decided to decrease his allowance by 15%. So what will be his new allowance? So decrease percentage is given 15%. So this decrease percent, now I will convert into money. How much money? So decrease amount. So 15 percentage means divide by 100, and his allowance was 800 rupees, so it will be 800. Now we cancel 0 0. So 15 multiply 8, it will be how much? 120 rupees. That means how much money decrease? So his allowance is decreased by 120 rupees. So what will be his new allowance? So therefore we write new allowance will be 800 minus 120. 800 minus 120, it will be 680 rupees. So 680 rupees. So right here rupees symbol, rupees. I have very short, very small space, that's why I am arranging this setup. So try to write from the board. Now students, I will solve the last question. So there are 845 students in a parish. So total number of students. So here I have written original, but you can write here total number of students also. 845. On a Sunday only 169 were present. So on Sunday, so you can write here Sunday. Sunday, how many students are present? 169. Then now find the percentage decrease in the students attending the parade on Sunday. So how many students decrease in attending? So we have to calculate percentage of decrease in attendance. So how many students were decreased? That means absent. How many students are absent on Sunday? So from total number of students minus present student. So 845 minus 169, it will be 676. Now we have to calculate this absent percent. So use the second formula I have given before starting of this innings. So here always come decrease percent, decrease. So 676. Oh, sorry. Yes, correct. 676. And in the new denominator, always total number of student, that is 845. And since we are calculating percentage, that means here we have to multiply 100. Now cancel 100 and 845 by 5. 520 is 100 and 5 169 is 845. Now 676 multiply 20 by 169. So 169 4 is 169 4 is 676. So what will be the final answer? So final answer will be 4 multiply 20, it will be 80%. So today I have finished innings 9.2. Next I will start 9.3. So and that innings will be very interesting.